Now, Rahul Gandhi's visit to Gujarat was full of headline-worthy content. Another point that he made, speaking about Gujarat's assembly elections in Ahmedabad, was that Congress party is going to defeat the BJP, as well as there is going to be a mega reshuffle in the state Congress ranks. Rahul Gandhi drew the Shadi Ka Ghoda versus Race Ka Ghoda analogy and said that in the past, Congress has sent the horses that are meant to dance at wedding parties in order to contest in elections, which is why they have faced electoral losses. He assured that Congress will ensure that this does not happen again.
कांग्रेस पार्टी गुजरात में जीतेगी और गुजरात से ही नई कांग्रेस पार्टी बनेगी। एक कार्यकर्ता ने मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह बताया, कांग्रेस पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता ने, राहुल जी कहता है मुझे, राहुल जी ये कांग्रेस पार्टी में एक मुश्किल है, दो तरीके के घोड़े होते हैं, एक रेस का घोड़ा होता है, दूसरा शादी का घोड़ा होता है। ये आप कभी कभी कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या करती है, रेस के घोड़े को शादी में भेज देती है और शादी के घोड़े को रेस में लगा देती है। तो उसने कहा ये आप बंद करा दीजिए, रेस के घोड़े को आप रेस दौड़ाइए और शादी के घोड़े को आप शादी में भेजिए। तो ये हमें गुजरात में करना है। जो रेस का घोड़ा है, जो तैयार है, दौड़ने के लिए तैयार है, उसको रेस में लगाना चाहिए। और जो हमारे शादी के घोड़े हैं, जो हैं वो हैं, उनको हमें शादी में बारात में नचा देना चाहिए। तो अब मेरा कहना है कि ये काम सीरियसली करना है।
The BJP is, however, not taking any of this seriously, mocking the Raebareli MP. They are questioning if Congress even has enough leaders to make these changes possible in their party ranks. Tom Badakkan took further the horse analogy that was started by Rahul Gandhi and said that he is trying to bolt the gates of the stable after the horses have already bolted.
After scoring a paltry 99 in the last Lok Sabha elections, this gentleman is screaming from rooftops that he has won. The fact of the matter is that he is lost, and miserably so. The other issue here, he talks about reshuffling in the Congress. The point is, what is left in the Congress party for him to reshuffle? The racehorse and the marriage horses have bolted, and he has arrived in Gujarat to lock the stables after the horses have bolted.
And in no time, as one would have expected, Congress leaders have jumped in to defend what Rahul Gandhi said yesterday. Here is what Rajmani Patil of the party had to say in defense.
जो राहुल जी की मंशा है और जो मोदी जी का कृत्य है, मोदी जी हमेशा आधार को छोड़ करके और झूठ का सहारा ले करके और लोगों को गुमराह करने का और धर्म से हट करके धर्मांधता का वातावरण पैदा करने का, नफरत की भावना पैदा करने का वो काम करते रहे हैं। और पार्टी के अंदर भी राहुल गांधी ने पहचान करने का प्रयास किया है कि किस में किस तरह की एनर्जी है, किसका उपयोग कहाँ किया जा सकता है, उस तरह से एक रणनीति बना करके गुजरात में चुनाव लड़ा जाएगा।
Sabyasachi, now there is definitely a rejuvenated Congress, a rejuvenated Rahul Gandhi that has been speaking up, and the confidence is showing in his statements. But when he goes in Gujarat and says that his party can overhaul the system and defeat the BJP, do they have a plan, or is it just one of those statements that are made to boost the morale of the party?
Well, see, at this particular time, looking at the result of the Lok Sabha polls where Congress had won one seat. See, at this particular time, it is very much important for the Congress party to keep the morale of the local leaders high in the state of Gujarat. See, that is the reason immediately after there were reports of clash between the Congress and the BJP, Rahul Gandhi flown down to Ahmedabad. He met with the Congress leaders over there. Now, in fact, Rahul Gandhi stated that in the upcoming state assembly polls, the Congress party is going to defeat the BJP and the Congress is going to form their government in the state of Gujarat. Now, Rahul Gandhi says that a change in the strategy needs to be done from the Congress party as far as the state leadership is concerned. He somewhere hinted at a most probable reshuffle that will be happening in the state of Gujarat as far as the Congress is concerned. But clearly at this particular time, the BJP has hit back at Mr. Gandhi, stating that it is just a dream of Mr. Rahul Gandhi as well as the Congress party, because looking at the numbers of the assembly polls, last assembly polls as well as the Lok Sabha polls, the BJP is extremely confident that the BJP government is going to stay in Gujarat and Mr. Rahul Gandhi is just dreaming about forming a Congress government over there.